The Auditor General John Mwanga, in his 2009-2010 report, pins Ministry of Health officials for diverting 1.8 billion shillings to replenish the Gavi account.
And being an emergency, we thought it was appropriate to look at monies which were not to be used at that time. And then we relocated.
Doctor, was stealing of Gavi funds an emergency? I call it stealing. Was it an emergency?
No. The consequence of stealing became an emergency that considering, Mr. Chairman, that Gavi wanted that money to be available for them to be assured trigger release of around 23 million.
You think poor planning and management on your part as Minister of Health should be seen as an emergency on the part of Minister of Finance?
I want to call it a crisis.
However, emphasis was put on who had failed to refund the stolen Gavi funds meant for immunizing children against malaria and tuberculosis. Former Health Minister Major General Muhwezi, who was cleared for the alleged misappropriation of 478 million shillings, featured prominently.
Your technocrats and politicians in that ministry religiously helped themselves. Religiously, with the full belief, full knowledge and belief, helped themselves with the money which was supposed to help Ugandans address issues of malaria, TB.
For whom were these people stealing? Were they stealing for Ugandans or also stealing for the people of Jinja East? Because as a member of parliament, people stole public money.
Any of you could actually refund this money, whereas it's not you who took the money. Isn't it in your interest that you recover this money and you make your books clean?
Dr Asuman Lukwago, the Permanent Secretary and Minister of Health, tabled documents clearing Muhwezi of any wrongdoing, while others were still holding him culpable.
Honorable Muhwezi, 478,643,000, which is supposed to refund and has not refunded anything.
Who is that one? So you said he has not refunded, yet he has refunded. Same with Honorable Kamuji. So what document are you giving us?
Has Jim Muhwezi cleared his Gavi obligations, yes or no?
But we are very sorry about the mishap in the documents. I want to assure this committee that both of us are interested in accountability.
It is this contradictory information that annoyed some MPs.
I am dismissing Permanent Secretary and his team with disgrace. Go. I don't need to see you here because you are not answering our questions. You are not helping us.
Muhwezi was implicated together with his counterparts Captain Mike Mukula, who refunded 240 million shillings. Dr. Alex Kamugisha, Alice Kaboyo, a former State House employee. The four had been charged with forgery, uttering false documents, theft, causing financial loss and embezzlement at the Anti-Corruption Court. Jingo Francis, NTV, Parliament.